Hey, this is Matthew Ferry, and this is your Immune Reset plus Energy Boost exercise. Let's go ahead and begin our process now. I want you to take a deep breath in with me and hold it. As you're holding your breath, I want you to send a message to every part of your system that says, please set the intention for enlightened consciousness to flow through, to experience purity of my own consciousness and blow out nice and slow. Now breathe in again, and we're going to get ready for rapid breathing. Here we go. In and out really, really fast. Breathe in and hold it. Now breathe all the way out and hold it out as long as you can. Let's go for 30 seconds. I want you to scan through your body, starting at the top of your head. Take a white light and restore wholeness and integrity to your system all the way through your body. Starting your head all the way down through your body into your legs. Just imagine your entire system is being lit up by white light, restoring wholeness and integrity. Get ready to breathe in now. And hold your breath now for another 30 seconds. And as you're holding your breath, I want to make sure that you are setting an intention to restore your immune system. Restore wholeness and integrity to the immune system. Imagine every part of your body optimizing. Feel yourself becoming more optimal. And get ready to blow out. Now breathing normally. Get ready for some rapid breathing again, but this time twice as fast through your nose. Here we go. Now go a little bit slower. Breathe in, breathe all the way out and hold. Now imagine there is a volcano of energy coming up your spine and going through every part of your body in your nervous system. Imagine yourself gaining more and more energy, feeling more and more empowered. Feel yourself going up. Let's get ready to take a deep breath in. Here we go. Breathe in, hold your breath, and stand up. Stand up, open your eyes. And now we're going to get the immune and the lymph moving. I want you to just start bouncing in place, bouncing, bounce, bounce, bouncing in place right now, bouncing up and down, and bouncing in place. Just keep bouncing, bouncing, bounce up and down, bounce, bounce, keep bouncing, keep bouncing. Now breathe in, stop bouncing, bring your hands all the way up above your head, And now breathe out and swan dive all the way down. Hands go out, folding at the waist, going all the way down and touching your knees, your calves, or your toes. And now just completely hang there. Hang out. Do nothing. Hang out. Now slowly bring yourself back up, taking a deep breath in. And you're good. For 10 more free meditations, download my app at matthewferry.com/app. Have a good day.